Hello and welcome to Pan's Unlawnful campaign. I'm going to show you how our Kumu map works. This map is to connect all of our Unlawnful people, partners, and projects. If you come to this view of the map, you can navigate with the arrows on the side of the page or the arrows on your keyboard. This is a map of everyone who's involved with Pan's Unlawnful campaign. We're inspiring theory into action with a decentralized network of volunteers who are hosting their own unlawful events. You can use this map to find people in your local area and organizations or project sites that need help. On this map, you have different colored circles, and the blue circles are project sites. Here's an example of one. Yellow circles are people. Here's me. And then green are organizations. And there's more details about each person's profile when you click on the circle. There's also a link to add yourself to this map. It's a simple Google form to fill out. It's just a few questions, mainly your name and your location. This next view of the map will show you the offers and needs of the network. So as you're working on your unlawful project, you can come in here and select the resources that are needs for your organization or your project. For example, if I need access to land and I need design services, these show up on the map as these green and red lines. So any green line is an offer that someone is making for the orange resource, and any red line is an organization or person or project who needs that resource. So we can see for access to land, we have a few people who need land and a few people who are offering land. That just about shows you everything about our Kumu map. We hope that you add yourself to the map, and we're looking forward to see hundreds of Unlawnful projects this next year. Thank you.